Hello everybody, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can set up product or services inside the QBO to use the sale taxes. So all you need is to just go to the sales modules and go down to the product and services and click on product and services. Once you click on that, it will show you the product and services screen in front of you, and here you can select the new button. Here you can select your desired option. Let's say we are wanna create a service option. Here you can add your service name. Let's say we are offering the service cleaning a house, and if you wanna categorize your service, you can categorize them. Let's say we can categorize to this landscape, and if you wanna give some description, you can also do that. And you can also set up sale taxes, and if you wanna link in this to a different income account, you can also do that. So this is the main topic that we are concerning about. If you click on edit taxable, it will show you this screen in front of you. This is some suggestions that QuickBooks gives you, and if you just wanna browse, you can also do that. And this here you can see that there are two options available for us. One is taxable based on location only, and the other is non-taxable. As we are creating this product or services for taxable, then we definitely choose the tax. And once you click on that, just click on done. And if you wanna add your vendor details to this product, you can also do that. Once everything is done, just click on save and close. And now we successfully created a services inside the QBO. So that's how you can create a product or services with taxable inside the QBO. This is very useful when you create an invoice and you just mention your service, and you just click on taxable, and QuickBooks will automatically calculate the taxes on the invoices. This is a very useful feature. It will save your time. I hope you have enjoyed this video a lot. For now, bye bye.